Hi everyone. Let's work on the rectangle task. So here we want to make this shape that is a rectangle just made up of stars, and we just want to do this using a loop. So we may have done these kinds of shapes before, but this time we're doing it in a loop. So let's start with a just traditional loop. And let's see, we want to start from maybe 0, maybe 1. It's flexible, but normally we will start from 0 often, so let's get used to that. And let's see how many times we want to do this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we want 9, we want this to run for 9 times. So we'll do this loop for as long as I is less than 9. This is one idea that we'll have to get used to. If I'm going from 0 to 9, that will be 9 iterations, which is what I want, right? Some people may be used to, or they want to see the syntax in a different way. So for example, I'll just write it in the comment. They may write their loop like this. It starts from 1, and then it goes until I is less than or equal to 9. Just note that these both do the same thing, okay? This one starts from 0 and goes until less than, and then this one is including 9, but it started from 1. These both go for 9 iterations. It's just written in a different way. But I would recommend that you get used to the 0 as the starting point and going until less than, just because that is something we will often do for other topics. But at the end of the day, they both work, so whatever you're comfortable with. So we want to run this for 9 iterations, and then we'll go up I by 1 each iteration. Okay, so now that we have the loop, we know that we're repeating it 9 times. At this point, we just need to do the component that we're repeating, which seems like it's probably just this line. We're just going to repeat this line over and over again. So maybe let's copy that, and we can paste that here as a string. So let's see how that looks. Alright, so it seems like it's basically doing what we wanted it to do. 9 just lines of these rectangles repeated. For extra components, if you wanted to, we could like indent this. So we could like tab over each time. That'll just move our shape over. And we could do this as many times as we wanted. If you wanted to just move the rectangle kind of into the middle, that part is up to you, right? But essentially, this is all we wanted to do. Repeat this 9 iterations to repeat this line of code 9 times.